Basta kay Sir Rojan, ibang klase. Let's go! Okay, quick review. Ano at bakit nagkakaroon ng underapplied or overapplied ang overhead? At anong ginagawa natin dito in case magkaroon tayo nito? Nagkakaroon tayo ng underapplied kapag yung actual overhead ay mas malaki sa applied overhead. At nagkakaroon naman tayo ng overapplied kapag yung actual overhead or yung debit side or left side ng overhead ay mas maliit sa applied overhead or yung credit side or yung right side ng overhead account. Dahil yan nagkakaroon tayo ng difference sa actual and budgeted overhead cost or kaya naman sa difference between the actual and the budgeted level of activity chosen to compute the predetermined overhead rate na ginagamit natin para mag-compute ng applied. So simply put, nagkakaroon tayo ng under-applied or over-applied dahil may difference yung ating actual left side, debit side ng overhead at saka yung applied credit side at right side ng overhead. Anong ginagawa natin dito in case magkaroon tayo nito? Kino-close natin ito at the end of each period unless normal capacity is used for the denominator level of activity. Saan? Kung ang ating under-applied or over-applied is immaterial, ikino-close natin yung buong amount sa cost of goods sold. Ang under-applied ay magkakaroon ng increase sa cost of goods sold at saka naman yung over-applied ay magkakaroon tayo ng decrease sa cost of goods sold. Kapag naman yung amount ng over-applied or over-applied is material, hahati-hatiin natin yung balance proportionately sa work in process inventory, finished goods inventory, and cost of goods sold using their unadjusted ending balances. So tatandaan natin, kung ang overhead ay immaterial, cost of goods sold. Kung overhead naman ay material, yung under-applied tsaka over-applied niya, hatiin natin sa tatlo, work in process inventory, finished goods inventory, at saka cost of goods sold using their unadjusted ending balances. So ngayon, alam mo na, ano at bakit nagkakaroon ng under-applied or over-applied ng overhead at anong ginagawa natin dito in case magkaroon tayo ito. So ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye!